Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to download Threads by Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, you might be interested in this new Threads app by Instagram. So it's just the same, the creator is just the same with Facebook and Instagram. So the question is how to download that app. The first thing we're gonna do is to simply head into our Play Store. Now, once we are here, we are going to search for Threads. So as you can see here, when you search for Threads, few apps will show, but you have to choose Threads, an Instagram app. So just simply click install. So what's cool with Threads is that Instagram has been doing all of the things that would draw people to use Threads. Just like this, you can log in with Instagram and you will be able to keep your username. So let's try to do that. You can also add a bio and you can also add links like your link from Facebook or Twitter or any other apps. So let's skip that. You can also choose your privacy, whether to make your profile public or private. And that's just it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.